Welcome to Soft Teach. Today we will learn about amazing construction vehicles. This is a bulldozer. It pushes heavy soil and clears the ground with its strong blade. This is an excavator. It digs deep holes and lifts dirt using its long arm. This is a dump truck. It carries sand, rocks, and stones from one place to another. This is a cement mixer. It spins around to mix cement for strong buildings. This is a crane truck. It lifts heavy objects high in the air. This is a road roller. It presses the road and makes it smooth and flat. This is a backhoe loader. It can dig and carry materials at the same time. This is a grader. It levels the ground and makes straight roads. This is a skid steer loader. It works easily in small and tight spaces. This is a water tanker truck. It sprays water to control dust on the road. This is a forklift. It lifts big boxes and heavy loads. This is a concrete pump truck. It pours concrete into hard-to-reach places. This is a tower crane. It helps build very tall buildings. This is a tractor. It pulls heavy machines and tools on the site. This is a road paver. It lays fresh road surfaces smoothly. This is a drum roller. It presses the road to make it strong. This is a tunnel boring machine. It digs long tunnels underground. This is a mini loader. It helps with small jobs in small spaces. This is an asphalt truck. It brings hot asphalt for road construction. This is a crane excavator. It helps lift and move very heavy objects. Great job, little learners! Like the video, subscribe to Soft Teach, and see you next time.